a blessing in disguise. I know that you've tried to think that maybe we were put here for a reason. Well, I believe that you have to keep your head up and just know